Have you ever wondered how those plump, ripe tomatoes from the fields end up as the smooth, tangy sauce we all know and love? Today, we'll unlock the secrets and unveil the journey of ketchup manufacturing, from the vine to your table. The harvest begins. The warm sun slowly rises over the vast tomato fields, signaling the start of a new day. Farmers, with their experienced hands, carefully navigate through the rows of tomato plants, inspecting each one for ripeness. Sorting and cleaning. The crates filled with freshly harvested tomatoes are transported to the sorting area. Here, a team of skilled workers begins the meticulous process of sorting the tomatoes based on their size, color, and quality. They remove any damaged or overripe tomatoes, ensuring that only the finest ones move forward. Once sorted, the tomatoes are gently washed to remove any dirt or impurities. Clean water cascades over them, cleansing away the remnants of the earth, leaving behind a sea of vibrant red orbs. Crushing and pulp extraction. The washed tomatoes are then transported to the crushing area, where they are fed into a large machine called a crusher. Inside, the tomatoes are gently crushed, releasing their juicy goodness. The resulting mixture, a combination of pulp and juice, moves on to the next stage. To separate the pulp from the seeds and skin, the mixture is passed through a series of filters and separators. The filters catch the seeds and larger particles, while the smooth, velvety tomato pulp flows through, ready for the next step. Flavor infusion. In a spacious room adjacent to the pulp extraction area, a team of experienced flavor experts meticulously crafts the perfect blend of ingredients. The tomato pulp is carefully mixed with vinegar, sugar, salt, and a secret combination of spices and seasonings. Each ingredient is added with precision, ensuring the distinctive taste that makes ketchup so beloved. The mixture is then transferred to large vats, where it is slowly heated to a precise temperature. This gentle cooking process allows the flavors to melt and develop, infusing the ketchup with its signature taste. Quality control. As the ketchup reaches its final stages, it undergoes rigorous quality control measures. Samples are taken from each batch and tested for taste, consistency, and safety. Skilled taste testers evaluate the flavor profile, ensuring that it meets the highest standards of quality and consistency. Bottling and packaging. With the ketchup deemed perfect, it is time for bottling and packaging. The smooth, flavorful ketchup is carefully poured into sterilized glass or plastic bottles. State-of-the-art machines fill the bottles with precision, ensuring the right amount of ketchup in each container. Once filled, the bottles move along a conveyor belt, where they are capped and sealed. Labels, featuring the iconic brand logo and product information, are applied. The bottles are then carefully packed into boxes, ready to be shipped to stores and supermarkets around the world. Ready for enjoyment. Finally, the boxes of ketchup are loaded onto trucks, embarking on their journey to various destinations. From humble kitchens to bustling restaurants, the ketchup finds its way onto tables, awaiting the moment it is squeezed onto burgers, fries, and sandwiches, adding a burst of flavor to every meal. And so, the story of tomato ketchup manufacturing comes to a close. From the bountiful harvest to the meticulous processing, each step is essential in bringing this beloved condiment to our plates, reminding us of the extraordinary journey that transforms a simple tomato into a tangy, delectable sauce we all know and love.